Hey everyone, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable hot air balloon pop-up card. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I want to give you a free welcome bundle. Just make sure to stick around till the very end and I will let you know how you can get access to that free bundle. All right, so I have all my pieces cut out. I've got some glue here and I have them separated out by color. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take these little cloud pieces. I'm going to move them aside, and I'm actually going to take all the balloon pieces and put those aside. And then what I'm going to focus on are these two rectangular pieces with these slits in them. And so what you want to do is you want to place these with the slits facing towards each other, almost like as if they're mirrored to each other. Okay, and so what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to take this center slit right here and I'm going to attach this is the base, okay, of the hot air balloon. So I'm going to fold along where all the crease lines were. If you don't know how to set up score lines, I have a video about that. And basically in my cut file, there's certain lines where you're gonna wanna just make sure that they're set up as a score. Okay, so I've got these all folded. Actually, these tabs are supposed to be facing out. And then what I'm going to do is these are going to go under the center tab, and then I'm going to glue that down in just a second. And on the right side, I'm going to glue that one down in just a second as well, and then I'm going to glue this together. Okay, so let me go ahead and just take this out, get some glue on here. Okay, I'm going to close that piece up just like that. And then I'm going to put some glue on these tabs as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and insert them into these little slits. And you could flip it over and you could kind of press it down. And we'll give it a stronger press in just a second, but I just want to make sure that I can get it into this other side over here. So here we go. I'm going to insert that right in there. Okay. And then now you can see that I can actually fold this over, and then I can press the tab down. Okay, so we have our center piece here. Okay, we've got our tabs down. And then what I want to also do before I attach this piece to the white cardstock, I'm also going to attach my little clouds. So it's going to be very similar here. We're going to fold this in half. And we're going to fold the tabs out. All right, so the clouds, they fold in opposite directions. So let me show you this cloud. So it's going to look like that. All right, so let me get some glue here on these tabs as well. And I'm doing this, I find it easier just to put this on before these two pieces are attached to the outer card. And I'm going to do the same thing, get some glue on these tabs. Okay, great. So now we have pieces that fold down flat. And once you fold them, if anything pops up like this, you can just press it down a little bit harder, just to make sure that glue is nice and stuck. Same thing with the other side. All right, so now what I want to do is I want to stick this to this back card, this outer card. And I can kind of place it so that the edge of this is aligned with the center of the card. So I've got my glue, and then I just want to fold this down. I'm going to open it and then turn it over. Do the same thing on the other side. Close that, and there it is. See how that opens up quite nicely? All right, perfect. So I'm going to just put this aside, and now I'm going to glue these pieces together. So I decided to make this one all glittery, which is really fun. Okay, so now the challenging part here is trying to match these together. So what we're doing is, you'll notice that there are, let's see, there are two pieces with the base. These are going to be across from each other. They're going to crisscross. And then we have these pieces, which are going to go along the outside. So what I want to do, the way to figure this out, is by kind of matching up the little slits. So you'll notice that this one has 3 open slits along the bottom. So I'm searching for the one that has 3 open slits along the bottom, and that one's gonna go there. So I'll put that aside, and then I'll glue those together in just a sec. This one has 2 slits along the top and 1 along the bottom. So that matches with this one, 2 along the top and 1 along the bottom. Okay. Then I have another one with the 3 along the bottom. That's this one. And then this one is 2 along the top and then 1 along the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these together. Now what we're going to do is put our glue aside because we don't need it anymore. So I'm going to take these pieces with the base, and the piece that has the slit, the large slit in the center on the bottom, I'm going to put it on the top of this other one and just push it all the way down. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to place it over here, and these slits should match with the other slits, and they should be able to go all the way down. So it might take a little bit of just jiggling to get them perfect. So this is what it looks like so far. All right. And so then what we want to do is we want to just figure out, let's see which ones go where. So actually, does it matter which one? So you just want to, so we've got the 2 with the 2 slits on top and 1 on bottom. Those are going to go across from each other. And then we've got the ones with the 3 slits on bottom. Those are gonna go across from each other the other way. And so you wanna put these ones first, the one with the 2 slits on top and the 1 slit on bottom, you wanna put those in first. So we're gonna put those in opposite of each other. And press it all the way down. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And then we're gonna take these 2 pieces and then we're gonna just place those opposite on the other side. And you can see that the 3 slits fit perfectly. All right, so I'm just gonna do the same thing over here. All right, perfect. Okay, so they finally kind of found their way down. Sometimes you just need to like jiggle it a little bit just to find its path. But once you do that, you should be able to close this and open it up. Isn't that fun? So there it is. Ta-da! If you are one of my amazing VIP Crafters Club members, you already know that this cut file is available for you to download free with your membership. I have included a link in the description for you to access that easily. And if you are not yet a member of VIP Crafters Club, don't worry, you can still get access to this file. All you have to do is visit the link in the description box to purchase this file directly, or better yet, why not join this incredible community with thousands of other crafters? VIP Crafters Club is a digital monthly crafting subscription. You will get access to all of these amazing crafts that you're seeing on your screen right now. It's perfect for beginner and experienced Cricut and Silhouette crafters. Every month, I provide you with brand new cut files, a list of materials, and a complete step-by-step tutorial, including how to upload and set up the SVG files in Cricut Design Space and Silhouette Studio, so that you can create a new and interesting project from start to finish, something that really stretches your creativity and challenges you to do something new and different with your Cricut or Silhouette. You'll get lots of amazing projects and cut files that's going to build your confidence with using your machine. Every month there is something new. My members tell me that it feels like Christmas morning every single month. And plus, small business commercial use is allowed because I love to see my members earning money selling the crafts that they make using my cut files. Totally optional, but just something I like to throw in there in case you are somebody who has a small business. We even have a live virtual crafting party once a month where we craft virtually together via Zoom. We have fun, we laugh, we share our creations. It is really a wonderful, tight-knit community with some of the most amazing group of crafters that you will ever know. We all get to craft with each other, and it's just such a really special thing to be a part of. So I hope that you'll consider crafting right along with us. And it does not cost much. The monthly fee is less than a trip to McDonald's. So check it out, and also be sure to check the description box for a special link and a coupon code so that you can save even more. So go ahead, check it out. I hope that you'll join us, and I look forward to crafting with you. If you are new to my channel, I would love to gift you this free welcome bundle. All you have to do is go to my website at betterlifeblog.com/welcome, and you will get to download this free bundle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe learned something new. And if you did, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you'd like to get notified whenever I post a new video, go ahead and ring that cute little bell. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something new from this video. I hope that you found it interesting, and I hope that you'll come back and see some more of my videos. Below are a couple of fun videos for you to watch. I hope that you'll enjoy, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.